Yo guys, fire alarm fun with Henry. We're doing system test 5. And I filmed a system test 5, right? But it didn't upload, but I got more updates, so let's go. Alright, right here. I got ear protection, so I can't hear too loud, but yeah. Same panel as normal. You might see I got some new keys though. So yeah. Alright. So yeah, panel is the same. Right here, Spectral Advanced SR strobe. Got that right there, and it does work. I thought it stopped working, but it's just the mounting bracket actually doesn't work. Coming over, we got nothing. We'll get to that in a second. Down here, NBG10LX, but I converted it to conventional. Well, it's like BGX 101L. Yep. Put some WD-40 on it. It kind of is like, it's fine. So, all right. Then over here, Wheelock Exceeder, and really quickly, what would have been right there is I got a LED P2W LED, but that does not work on the panel for some reason. It works that way, and I just realized these have curves to them. Don't know how I never knew that, but yeah, that's cool. So yeah, this is cool. And I actually have I have an alarm over here now, so we do have a light here. And there's nothing over here yet, but this is just a sneak peek. I don't know when I'm gonna get a smoke detector, but when I do, I'm gonna put it right here. So I got that back box, or junction box, installed right there. So this is just, so yeah, it's just over there. Coming over to the second pole station, got an NBG12L. I just got this today. Came brand new. And this, I actually thought only this had a curve on it, but then I checked the other ones and it did too. So that is cool. As you can see, NBG12L, and this has the latch on it because I didn't snap it off. I'm not going to like I did with the other ones when I was little. So yeah, system sensor device. So yeah, cool. I'm gonna go over here. System sensor P2W, Spectral Alert Advance. Next device I'm gonna get is going to be a Spectral Alert Classic wall mount right here. BG12 with a Silent Night key in it. But it was just a hex key. So, and this I broke the latch off, so it's kind of like that, but it's not too big of a deal. This is just, yeah. So yeah, works good though. Classic. Over here, you haven't seen this in the system test yet. EST Genesis with just a tiny bit of tape on it because it overpowers the other alarm sounds. But, yep. And it was over where the advance is, but that test didn't get posted. So yeah, that is the system. This looks just really nice. This I got used though, so yeah. Well, yeah, so I'm gonna get a Spectral Alert Classic. I'm also gonna get a system sensor MDL3 system sensor sync module. And I have this light switch so I can do 2-wire silence with that because the panel just cuts the power from everything. And right here I'm saving for an MS5UD3, and I found one for brand new for $850. I'm at 20 so far. I just started this last night. So, yep. It's gonna be a while, but it's gonna be cool. Alright, let's get the test going. Let's just do the BG12 because I've done that. I've had this. It's flashing every time, you just can't really see. So yeah, this silence just cuts the power completely. So that's why I would need a light switch. And the resistors are coming. I don't really know when, but soon. I think tomorrow. So I hope those actually work. So yeah, it's Kitty 4.7K 1/2 OHM end of line resistors. So hopefully there will not be any troubles. Alright, you know what? Yeah, let's just do this. Alright. The key on this actually is kind of just like, here, I'll show you. I'm not gonna open it, but it has some resistance just because it's used. But yeah, since Notifier and System and Honey and Firelight are owned by the same company, the keys actually look same. Here's a Firelight key, and then there's a Notifier key, just different logos. So let's do this. Yep, here's the Notifier key. 3, 2, 1. And I converted it to conventional. Put some WD-40 on it too, because the spring was being weird. The sync module also hold on. You can't see it flashing every time, even though it is. The sync module will also do 2-wire silence on everything, no matter what, really. I just gotta. I know it's gonna be in a super long time, but when the MS5ED does come, I'm gonna have to find a place for it, because it's a lot bigger than this. Good chance I'll move some stuff here or put it there, or yeah, probably move some stuff, or I'll put it like right here. Yep. So last device. Let's go. You don't gotta flip it up, but why not? Just acknowledge that. actually wearing hearing protection, which I rarely do, which isn't the best. What am I doing? I gotta reset it first. Along with the smoke alarm, I'll probably get some fake smoke. But I got another 100 feet of wire, just in case. I actually got some of these light switches right there for whenever I do get the sync module. Yeah. I brought this dress panel from my room and this phone. There's just a phone inside. Tomorrow I'm going to a local alarm company, shout out Mahoney Alarms, and getting a tour there, and most likely getting some alarms from there too. So I'm looking forward to that. So probably have some new alarms from there, which I'm really excited for. But let's pull this again, and then I'm gonna end the test because I don't know. I just got this one. I know I just got this too, but I know what a BG12 is like. So it's actually my first BG10, my first time pulling one in real life, just today. And I know and you might think the push looks similar to this dual action Siemens one, but it feels a lot different because this one just feels weird when I'm pulling it. That's just like parts and some stuff that doesn't work in there, by the way. All right, 3, 2, 1. I'm not gonna walk around, but it's fun to pull. All right. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a good day, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.